Yeah, but I figured any unagi don would be fine for you though.
Train number T453 will arrive at platform 2 within 5 minutes.
Oh, that's our next train. Luna? Huh? Where did she go?
Thank you. I just couldn't stop myself. It is so cute and cheeky.
Wow.
Hori, omatase. Maybe Hori is already on the train. But where's the train? I've never been to this station before. I think I'm lost. Oh yes, I found the train! Luna's luck is just amazing. Now to find Hori. She's probably inside the train as well.
Luna?
Hori?
What is the next train?
Hori!
Oi! How dare you pretend you don't know me?
I mean, why are you dressed like that anyway?
Blame the CEO. Anyway, how'd you get here?
I just want to eat unagi don. He definitely will laugh at me.
What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go meet Hori. Together.